Kitty pot in the clouds.
Hello friends, welcome to our new video, and today we are going to practice jolly phonics and pronounce the sound k, 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 sound k, and we are going to make castanets. For this activity, we're going to need construction paper that we have cut perfectly to fit in our finger, and 4 bottle covers and white glue. So we are going to stick bottle covers on the edges of this construction paper. Let's spread some white glue like that and stick. Okay, good job everyone. Can you see? I have made my castanets. While we wait for them to dry, I'm going to teach you our jolly phonics song about the sound k, k, k. Okay, let's take our castanets and sing. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, ka ka ka. Let's click them one more time. Ka 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 ka. Good job everyone. Ka ka ka. Hope you'll enjoy and make 2 sets of castanets, keep them together and sing the song. Have fun my little ones. Bye bye.